Hello everybody, this is a 4-month update of my micro lock journey, and I will be showing you things from my first day to my 4th month and me dyeing my hair as well as styling my hair. So this is my hair before getting a retie, and I'm just showing you the gray that's in there, how my micro lock grid is, and I'm trying to give you a detailed look of how my hair is looking before we start the dyeing process and how simple it is to dye your hair even with starter micro locks. So I started this micro lock journey on June the 5th, 2023, and thus far it's been the best decision I've ever made with my hair. I'm loving the journey. I'm loving the different phases that comes with it, and it's something to get used to and to embrace. But overall, I'm enjoying the whole process. Okay, so right here I am just giving you a close-up of how it's looking, and I am having some slippage at the back of my hair. My hair is more loose curled at the back, so that's what's causing the slippage. And the only thing I put on my hair is water or rose water, and I spread mist it every day. So we're about to start the hair dyeing process, and I am just taking sections of my hair and I'm just braiding. I know you might have heard of the braiding and banding method that a lot of people with micro locks do, especially in their first year of having micro locks, to prevent your hair from unraveling or slippage. So I'm still doing that, but I think when I wash my hair again that I'm not going to do the braiding and banding method, but we'll see. I also have a video about how I braid band my hair for wash day. So if you want to see that detailed video, then check it out on my YouTube channel. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's greatly appreciated. This is how my hair is looking once I got everything all braided and banded up with rubber bands, and it's no specific way that I braid or anything like that. So I'm just applying the hair dye right here, and it's just the Clairol jet black dye that I'm using. I just wanted my hair to get rid of some of that gray, so I'm just basically applying that close to my scalp because of where my new growth is. That's the only part I actually need dyed. So that's the only part that I'm dyeing, because the ends already are jet black. And you just want to make sure that you're getting that product all the way in there, because you want to make sure that it dyes very well. And I would recommend putting like some like protectant around your edges so your hairline won't get stained. So this is the shampoo that I will be using to wash all this out. I did not use any conditioner or anything like that. So once it's all washed and everything, this is how it is looking. And I'm just trying to give you some close up. I lost a few rubber bands, but that's fine. I don't think I'll have any slippage or no more slippage than I've already had. So I did a retie on my hair, and I am just doing the last braid, and I'm so thankful it's the last braid because it took me about 7 to 10 hours to do the retie. I don't know the exact time, but it took me a while because I was trying to cook in between. So that is it on my last retie. So I'm just going to show you the results. These are the results once completed and all done. I'm going to give you a close-up so you can kind of see my grid and everything. And I'm going to also be styling different styles. So if you want to see different styles on how you can style your micro locks, then stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this video, and have a great, blessed day.